Alright, so here we are back to creating our 3D, multicolor 3D print from our 2D image. Hello, thanks for watching. Please help to stimulate the algorithm by tickling its underbelly via the thumbs up button. And also please consider subscribing, sharing with your friends, commenting. Any comments are welcome. Good, bad, ugly, advice, complimentary, ridicule. It's all good. I just hope you're enjoying the show and help for other people to find it. Thank you again. And here's our 2D image. I'm going to call this, we'll leave that there, I guess. Height, 2 millimeters. Width, let's call it 88. Lighter is higher. Smoothing 0. And that's more like it. Alright. So, we're looking pretty good there. And let's calculate where we need to set the change the filaments. And so, I come in here and I'm going to repopulate these. So, we slice. I'm already in fine mode PLA, so 0.2 then 0.1 millimeters for the rest. Layer thicknesses. I considered changing the line widths to a little narrower, but I changed my mind. Okay, here's our slice, and let's see how this goes. I'm really pushing the envelope on the thickness here, just because the print was going to take like 3 hours, and I said forget that. Alright, this one, alright, 118, and so it's not even going to be, it's going to be less than an hour for this one, if it works right. So let's see if it works right. So I'm going to check to only show one layer. Okay, and there's layer 1, so layer 1 is going to be black, layer 2 black, layer 3 black. Okay, so up to 4. 1 through 4 is going to be black. And I know that because if you can see the thank you 4, once I go to 5 it changes. And so that's why I know 5 is a different color. So 1 through 4 is going to be black. So I did it, but yeah, I said that I did it much thicker, and forget that. Spent too much time developing the workflow today. So, and then the next number is going to be, next color is going to be red, and that is the first R. So once I get past, yeah, so R is going to be 5 until R disappears. Oops. R disappears at 7, so 5 and 6. Red is 5 and 6. Green is going to be 7 to whenever this E disappears. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Let's just go 7 through 9. And so then metallic yellow is going to be 10 through, metallic yellow I believe is the C over here. So 10, 11, whoa, just 10. Ooh, yikes. So just 10. So then white is going to be 11. That's this R. 12. So 11 and 12. Yellow is going to be, yellow is the 3. So yellow is going to be 13, 14. 13, 14. And then blue is going to be 15, 16. 15, 16. This actually could work out if it gives me 2 layers each. That'd be great. Metallic orange, which is the subs, so that's 17, 18, 19. Alright, 17 to 19. And the silver gold, which is the highlight for that, is going to be 20, 21, 20, 21. And then the gray, which is the other highlighting, is going to be 22, 23, 22, and 23. 23, okay. And so, that is what I need to know. I'm going to take a picture of that with my phone. I'm going to take a picture of that with my other phone, just in case I'm recording with one when I meant to record with the other. And I dropped my brand new phone and cracked the glass already. That was only $1,000. Ah. Alright, so I have that. And so we should be good here. Oops, let's not show that. And so there's our print. Now, I just need to save it to my card, and we're good to go. So be sure to stay tuned to watch the print, and thumbs up if you think this is pretty cool, and subscribe if you want, and maybe consider sharing with your friends and social media, and with any groups that might think it's cool. And stay tuned for the actual print, and I'll probably also broadcast it live. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please consider sharing it with your friends, and or otherwise helping people to find it by clicking the thumbs up and commenting, and consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks again.